The process of the Fiery Beast's volcanoes. Volcanoes are fascinating geological features that result from the accumulation and release of magma or molten rock from beneath the Earth's surface. The process of a volcano erupting involves several stages, each characterized by distinct geological and geophysical phenomena. Magma generation. Magma, which is molten rock beneath the Earth's surface, forms through the melting of rocks in the Earth's mantle or crust. This can occur due to heat from the mantle, subduction of tectonic plates, or other geological processes. Magma migration. As magma accumulates beneath the Earth's surface, it begins to rise towards the surface due to its lower density compared to surrounding rocks. Formation of magma chamber. Magma may accumulate in a reservoir known as a magma chamber beneath the volcano. Types of eruption. The eruption may begin with precursor events, such as the opening of vents, small phreatic eruptions, steam-driven explosions, or the extrusion of lava flows. Other eruptions are effusive, with lava flowing relatively calmly from the vent or fissures. This can lead to the formation of lava flows and lava domes. Some eruptions are highly explosive, characterized by the rapid release of gas and magma. This can lead to the formation of volcanic plumes, pyroclastic flows, and ashfall. During explosive eruptions, a column of ash, gas, and volcanic debris may be ejected into the atmosphere, rising several kilometers high. Precursors and warning signs. Seismic activity. Prior to an eruption, there may be increased seismic activity, including small earthquakes and tremors caused by the movement of magma. Gas emissions. Volcanic gases, such as sulfur dioxide, may be released from the volcano's vent or fissures, indicating increased volcanic activity. Post-eruption lava cooling and solidification. Lava flows cool and solidify, forming new volcanic rock. Ash deposition. Volcanic ash settles on the ground, sometimes covering large areas and affecting agriculture, transportation, and infrastructure. Volcanic landforms. The eruption may result in the formation of new volcanic landforms such as lava fields, cinder cones, and calderas. Hazards from volcano lava flows. Lava flows can destroy everything in their path, including buildings, vegetation, and infrastructure. Pyroclastic flows. These fast-moving clouds of hot gas, ash, and volcanic debris can travel downslope at high speeds, incinerating everything in their path. Ashfall. Volcanic ash can blanket large areas, causing respiratory problems, damaging crops, and disrupting transportation and infrastructure. Lahars. Lahars are volcanic mudflows that can occur during or after eruptions, often triggered by the melting of snow and ice on a volcano's slopes. Gas emissions. Volcanic gases such as sulfur dioxide can contribute to air pollution and have adverse effects on human health and the environment.